All right, very good afternoon to all our viewers and welcome to the alumni session with Subramani.
Yes. Hi.
Hi,
Good afternoon.
how are you doing, Subramani?
Good. I'm good. You?
Right, all right, thank you. All right, great. So nice to have this catch up. I think we have at numerous occasions we are looking to understand what the journey typically entails after you have gone through the rigors of the industry, and
Hmm.
somewhere that connection of what we have had with the institution is something that we take a lot of pride in. So you would you want to start by an introduction?
Yes, yes. I'm from actually Karnataka itself. I'm like near to Bangalore, Chintamani. We finished my graduation in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. After my graduation, I worked in core mechanical. I'm mechanical background basically. I heard about DataMites. Actually, it was like at that time it was like very good. Like I heard from my brother and other surroundings of my colleagues and all. Then afterwards, I joined DataMites for the data science course, and
What year was
there
that?
I hello
What year was that?
in 2020, 21 I think so 21.
COVID was still going on.
Yes, 21 I joined in the August or December I think August November I think so. From I took the course data science course. There I like it was like very good. I went with a very good basic understanding of Python and deep learning and machine learning things. All from there, I got an opportunity in first skilling as a like mentor. Actually, I went there, and later after for 2 months only, I joined in a core like data engineer job in Swayat Robots. Here basically Swayat Robots is they work on the autonomous driving technology. Like how data might helped here for joining me. They taught me very basic understanding of machine learning algorithms and like Python also. Did that helped me a lot in placing as a data engineer in Swayat Robots. Basically like that is the main thing I think so. The basics in Python and machine learning helped me a lot. That's it. Right now I'm working as a AI engineer, not in Swayat Robots, in a Axis Cadis actually. I didn't mention because it was a contractual role, so it's I didn't mention in LinkedIn. Sorry.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
And
That is my journey.
how long have you been with this company?
It's like nearly 6 months, 8 months.
Okay, wonderful. Right. So in that data engineering role, somewhere you
Mm.
also had a bit of the how much was the modeling used there?
Basically, it was not modeling actually. Like we used to generate using generative AI techniques. We need to generate the synthetic data using GANs and basically GANs. We used to generate the artificial data, and which was helping in maps and uh, like maps generation and image generation for the environment purpose. That was
All right, great. And when you decided to switch to this role, can you tell us about that transition?
yes. Basically here, like in the data engineering, like when I joined in Swayat Robots, they're actually there for initially I under like basics was like machine learning. From there, I understand what the like industrial level requirement. From there on, this was my base, right? Dataments was my base. From
Yeah.
there, I took with the like my colleagues' experience and all. I I learned on generative AI things like GANs and even diffusion models things to generate data and all. That was my just like exploring things on. That's it. That's it.
Right. Okay. Nice. So, in some sense, this is also, are you working from home or is this in Bangalore?
Is it in Bangalore? Bangalore.
Okay.
It's like 2 days, like hybrid.
Hybrid mode. Okay. Right.
Mm.
So, to the extent you can share, Subramani,
Mhm.
what kind of a project are you dealing
Okay.
with? What is the domain?
Actually, like here the like we used to have a PDFs actually PDF data which consists of image, text, tables in that and all. We need to extract those data. We in the like in the very structurized pattern, with the like structurized pattern, and we need to train the LLMs. We in a like it's we need to train the LLM so that LLM should give the like similar PDFs which have been in the same cases like that. And one more, it need to recommend some operations based on the problem statement mentioned in the PDF. It need to take action and give the recommendations for the client or something like that. We need to they that needs to provide the LLM needs to provide.
All right. Okay. And is it, typically when you're dealing with these different steps, are
Mhm.
you involved in pretty much every part of the whole
Yes,
journey? You have a,
yes, yes.
okay, very nice. Right. I think that's some great exposure and somewhere
Mm.
a lot of demand for that.
Basically, needs to be very good in understanding data, how the structure to get the to extract the data in structurized pattern, so that you can give for the training and fine tuning the model. That is the main thing. That's it. That is the basic thing. That's it.
So, which are the tools that you find yourself using?
Like for the extraction of text data, if you see the docling is there, and structurized model is there. And for the like image extraction, if you can see Gwyn is there, like Llama is there, and all like open source, many
Right.
more open source are there. We can this will extract this data, take like image OCR and these all data, and we like again we'll structurize this data in different formats, and we'll train for the LLMs and fine tune those models in inference mode, and we'll get the recommendations. That's it.
Wonderful. Nice. Good. Cool. So, is it once you get your recommendations, is it hard to convince the client?
Yes, yes. It's like many challenges we'll face. That is very difficult, and but we are still going with good. That's it. We'll
Okay.
face many challenges. Basically, the structurizing is the more critical thing to. Uh, that's what the main thing we face in during the extraction and all.
Right. Right. Great. Nice. Good to hear from that, Subramani. So, in a sense, the tools are something that have been evolving a lot, right? And you always
Yes.
have
Yes.
newer open source models as well.
Mm-hmm.
You are, I'm guessing you're just on top of it by exploring yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Most people are, yeah, pretty much onto that kind of a mode, right? Where do you see all these headed? Like, let's say,
Okay.
keep it a short term journey. Yeah.
Basically, we'll benchmark the things. Like we'll take the like we our colleagues will put together all that. Will text all these benchmark the things. Basically, while there is a many PDF extractions are there. There is a PDF reader is there, PDF miner is there, and when some catalog is there. Came some other libraries are there. We'll benchmark the things. Basically, we felt good in extraction is like docling, and even unstructured is there, unstructured library. These are like very good for the PDF extractions with the text data and tabular data in that, images also. And we'll pass these images into like LLMs and like VLMs basically, and we'll get a OCR extraction and some basic handwritten things on the image. and we'll structurize this data basically, and we'll train the LLMs on this and fine tune those models to the inference level, and we'll provide the suggestions or recommendations based on this. That's it.
Very nice. Great. Okay. Good to see that. Yeah. Good to know that the pathway somewhere. I think a lot of people would be benefiting from that. Things have changed rapidly, and
Mhm.
you have been watching that from a
Yes,
very
yes.
from close quarters, right?
Yes.
There are a lot of youngsters gunning for this. Let's go into data
Mm.
science, data engineering, AI, ML, right? Um, how do you see people? What advice do you give them?
Basically, I suggest like they needs to good understanding in Python. I think so. Like basically, like coding in Python, and like exploring things will be easy actually when you there is like any ChatGPT model, ChatGPTs are there. Just they need to understand the code, and that's it. I think so. And no need to tell anything.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Python is the bedrock, and from there,
Now C++ also is good for the inference mode. That's it.
wonderful, great. Okay, great. So yeah, very very nice. You could join us here today, Subramani.
Mhm.
That is yeah, a lot of insights that we could take forward. Um, your future plans 2 years down the line?
Maybe like where the maybe it'll be very tough because AI is like evolving very fast. Even that's we need to go with the like flow. Actually, that's it.
Go with the flow.
Oh
Okay,
yes.
great. All right, wonderful. Right. Wish you all the very best, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Same to you. Thank you.